everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to download SharePoint application on your iOS device. To download and install the Microsoft SharePoint app, go ahead and tap open your App Store first. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box at the top and type in SharePoint. Look for the Microsoft SharePoint application, which looks like this, and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. You'll then need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Simply go ahead and complete the process, and your download process should begin. After waiting for a couple of seconds, you will then be able to open up the app by tapping on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded the SharePoint app on your mobile device in just a couple of steps. Now that you have SharePoint on your mobile phone, managing work just got easier. Go ahead and try it out yourself, and if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.